It's been a while since we've done a video review of Starling Bank, so let's take a look at what it's got going for it for 2024. If you landed here because you already know what Starling has to offer and just want an honest opinion on whether it's any good, feel free to skip ahead to our reality check section for our brutally honest take, or click here for our review in under 1 minute. Okay, let's dive in. Starling Bank is a really solid current account that comes with spending insights, different saving spaces that come with free virtual and physical connected cards, so you can pay for stuff directly from that saving space, a cash deposit service via the post office, the option to set up an overdraft, and a range of account options, which I'll go into in more detail in just a minute. With Starling, you can also get access to insurance, pensions, and mortgage products, as well as cashback rewards through third-party providers on its marketplace. Two features that set Starling apart are that it doesn't charge any fees for spending or cash withdrawals abroad, so it can be a great option for traveling, and that it offers interest on money in your current account, so you don't need to set up a separate saving space to start earning interest. There are, of course, some drawbacks to Starling, including its £300 daily limit on cash withdrawals. For context, Monzo's daily limit is £400. The limited budgeting tools, again compared to other similar apps like Monzo. The fact that a lot of extra features are only available through third-party marketplace providers rather than directly in the app. And being a digital-only bank, there are no physical branches to pop into, if that's your thing. Now let's take a look at the different types of accounts that Starling offers. So Starling just has one standard current account, but if you go to Spaces, there is the option to open customizable saving spaces, as well as a 1-year fixed saver. The fixed saver has a minimum deposit requirement of £2,000 and an interest rate just under 4.5% at the time of making this video. But your money will be locked away for a whole year. Starling also offers a free Starling Kite Kids account for children aged 6 to 15, joint accounts, and a free business account. Starling doesn't have many fees and charges to worry about, to be honest. There's no account fee, no ATM withdrawal fees, and no fees for spending or withdrawing cash abroad. There is, of course, that £300 daily limit on cash withdrawals in the UK and abroad, and any foreign currency conversion fees will be charged at the MasterCard currency exchange rate. Another fee to consider is the cash deposit fee. So you can deposit up to £1,000 for free each calendar year via the post office. If you deposit over £1,000, you'll be charged a 0.7% fee of the amount you deposit. Starling Saving Space, the Fixed Saver, Starling Kite, and Starling Business are all free to set up and use. Starling comes with a bright teal-green card for its personal current account, supposedly inspired by the bright feathers on a starling bird. Google it, it sort of makes sense. Starling Kite cards have an extra pop of colour to make them more suited to kids. The joint account cards are a slightly darker green, and Starling Business cards are black because business is serious. The app definitely has a more serious, sophisticated vibe than Monzo or Revolut, but it's simple and easy to use, and everything is organised well into the tabs along the bottom navigation. Starling is a bit of an award winner here at Finder. Not only did it win our 2024 Banking Customer Satisfaction Award, which, as the name suggests, is voted for by the people who actually use it. Our banking expert Kate Steer also named it her pick for Best Bank Account for 2024. You can check out our video on that right here. And she awarded Starling a very impressive score of 4.7 out of 5. I feel like I'm gonna burst that positivity bubble now. So not to brag, but I've used quite a few digital challenger banks now, and I'll be honest, I wasn't overly excited by Starling. It is a solid current account, and it's great for saving spaces. And the fact that you can earn interest on your current account balances is a lovely extra touch. But I like a little more flash and fun in my banking app, and Starling can be a bit serious. Starling also doesn't have as many budgeting features or insights as something like Monzo, and it only offers the one basic current account, where with others you can upgrade for more features, although those upgrades do typically come with a monthly fee. That said, if a smart, simple interface is your bag, this could be a great app for you, and with no fees on spending or cash withdrawals abroad, it is a great card to have on your holidays or travels. While I do the whole like and subscribe bit, please check out these final pros and cons of Starling. If you want to know more, read our full review of Starling Bank on finder.com by clicking here and following the link below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button below for more review videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.